Yes.
The audience wants you. Okay. Put this back in the pocket. No worry. Okay, fantastic. Now, remove the jacket. Oh. See? Never trust magician. I have your phone.
That's what I'm saying.
Give me. Remove your jacket. Come on. It's too warm here. Okay. Now, hold this jacket of our friend. Also your jacket. Let's get more comfortable, okay? Yeah, remove it. Now, I want to do a very special trick with you, okay? Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Okay, fantastic. Now, this trick, it's called kiss trick, okay? Nothing...
Say that again?
Kiss trick.
Kiss trick?
Yeah, don't worry. No. You will not kiss him normally, but magical. Okay? Don't worry. Once the person that was doing this trick with me during the trick died. It's the second time that I tried to do this trick. I'm joking. Okay. Okay. Give him. Can you hold also this, please? Thank you so much. Now, the question is, do you know each other before?
Never.
Never? You have never touched him, he has never touched you, correct? This is what I want. Two people that they don't know each other. Cool. Now, please tell me stop wherever you want. You choose any card that you want. But before to start, please tell me if there is in this deck any card that is double. No, I'm joking. As you can see, all the cards are different, correct?
They are, yes.
All different.
They are different.
I'm joking. You have to ask me to turn the cards, correct? I turn the cards, okay? No, I'm joking. Please give them a confirmation that the cards are all normal and different.
Yeah, they're all different.
Fantastic. Now, let's go for it. It's your turn. You will tell me stop wherever you want, and you choose any card that you like from this deck of cards, okay?
Alright.
Are you ready? Go for it. Just now, okay. Take this card and show this card to all your friends. I'm not your friend yet.
You got rejected.
You will be when you cry.
Okay?
Keep it in your mind, guys.
Perfect. Now, the difficult part of the job. Please try to remember this card for the rest of your life. Or at least for the next 5 minutes should be enough. Okay? Now, please take it back.
Put it back.
Yes? Whatever you want. Okay. Now, we shuffle your card inside the deck in order to disperse your card. Now, you can identify your card in many different ways, but I want to do something a little bit more original. I don't want to use cards. I don't care. I know that you are thinking he's manipulating cards. I don't. I only want to use your mind. Are you thinking the card? Please think the card in your mind and repeat in your mind. 5 of hearts, 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 5 of hearts. But this is easy. This is just mentalism, okay? Even if you call Darren Brown, he does this. If I'm here tonight, you want to see something more, correct?
Yes.
Let's do something more. That's why you're here.
Yeah, something very special.
We are in the birthday of Iqbal. So please, I want to take the 5 of hearts from the deck. This is easy as well. And I want to put here my signature, okay? Wait a second, I want to place here my signature. Let's take the marker. Cool. 1 second. Okay, I found the marker. I have 2 billion things in my pocket. I want to put here my signature, okay? Lexis. Okay? Now, please do the same. Pick any card you want. Okay. Now, with this card that you pick, I put my signature. Now, on the card that you pick, please put your signature. Go for it. And now we're going to do something very special. Cool. Doesn't matter if I see the card. Iqbal, can you also put your signature in this card?
Sure.
Yes. Because in this way, this card will become unique. Because I may predict your signature, but I cannot predict both your signature combined. And also to make it very special, can you also put a signature on this card? What's your name? Okay, if you don't want to put signature, that you want to remain anonymous, you can also draw your favorite object. Be careful, there are underage now, okay? That's fine. Now, since you put your signature on it, let's go for the kiss trick. Are you ready for it?
Mom's gonna be
Yeah, I want to feel a little bit of energy. Are you ready? Cool, like that. Okay, now, we have here a unique card that is the card with all the three signatures of Ikbar, of
my daddy.
Roman, and Hafiz. That one, okay. Now, I want to put the card with all the signatures in your mouth. The card that you sign, I want to place this in your mouth, okay? Bite it. Cool. Please don't swallow it because the magnet is not closed, okay? Now you will do the same. Don't laugh because it's the same happened to you. Okay. Now this is the card with my signature. Please bite the 5 of hearts with my signature. Fantastic. Now is the moment that I like. Please give each other hands. Both like this and like this. Okay. No, don't worry. Don't have to do anything. It's for the magic, okay?
He's my brother.
Okay, it's your brother.
Younger brother.
Don't worry. Okay, just don't be shy. Follow my instructions because it's very dangerous to interrupt these energy circuits, okay? You don't have to kiss him, don't worry, nothing like that. But you need to exchange emotions with him. So I need that you don't have to be shy, you have to twist and look him in the eyes. It's very simple. Come on, it's not as ugly, come on. Okay, please, your body posture. Okay, body posture. I'm Italian, I know, it's important. Oh, like that. Man to man. Look each other in the eyes. Now, please, one step toward each other. Just one step. No. Stay steady. Okay, fantastic. I love it. Okay, now, let's go for it. You have the card with all the signatures, correct? Cool. And you have the card with my signature.
Yeah.
Now, your card is coming, is penetrating your friend, is passing inside the mouth. Are you feeling it? Are you? No. But something is happening. Something is going to happen. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'll kill you later. Now, this is, I need you alive until the end of the performance, you know? Now, your card is coming and is entering your body. Are you feeling it? Yeah. Now, please lean toward each other a little bit. Look him in the eyes. Don't worry, okay. And now, if the miracle has happened, as all the nice things, sooner or later, they end. I know you are very sad for that, but I need to interrupt this because you have exchanged energy and hopefully something incredible has happened. Now, I really need an hand-free microphone. Now, you were having the card with all the signature, right? Can you please check what you have in your mind? And you were having the card with my signature, right? Can you please check what is in your mind now? Open the card and show to everyone that you have now his card with my signature. And now you are having cards with all the signature. If the miracle happen, you will have the card with all the signature. Check it. Miracle! A big round of applause for our friends to share loves tonight in this kiss trick together. Thank you so much. You can keep the cards as a memory because if you miss your friend, on top of the cards now there is saliva, okay? And you can clone your friends in case you're missing. Okay? You can kiss the cards as much as you want in the night. Keep it. Don't let it go, okay? Cool. Now you stay with me, say the future, okay? Now, it's a magical moment. You are a magical item itself, okay? Now, please, in the end of this show, if you enjoyed, go everywhere and say, tonight we have watched the most amazing magic show of our life, okay? If not, please be quiet, don't say this to anyone, okay? Now, let's do something related with the with emotion and cards. But before to continue, I would like to ask you, have you ever bet in your life?
No.
No. But there is a first time for everything, okay? You have here the chance to choose either two people that you like, okay? Because I will give you the opportunity to win £50 tonight. So choose either two people. For example, where is? It's not here. Okay. I need two people. One is him. Look at him. A colleague of yours. Another street. Okay. Okay. Two more here than he has. I know. He's
Older than him as well.
He goes above 1,000 years.
Okay.
Now, I need another. Look at there. Another crystal ball. Come here. Okay. The three crystal balls all together. Fantastic. So I like your jacket. You look like a magician. Okay. Now. Yeah.
So two shiny, one.
Yes,
shiny.
exactly. Now, what's your name?
Zaman.
Zaman and
Abdul.
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 Did I spell correct?
Yes, Abdul.
Wow, amazing. So now, you know, I come from Italy and I've done a PhD in economics, because if you come from Italy, economics and magic are strongly related. Now, I want to bet in this trick something related with economics, okay? I put here €50. Now, you may wonder why I put euros and not pounds, because with Brexit, you don't really know what will be the value of the pound. So I want to be sure that I give you something that will be stable. And keep this €50 with you. I want to explain how this trick works. So basically here I have a lock that can unlock this €50. I'm going to lock this €50, and I want to give this €50 to you. Hold up like this, okay? Now, I will disperse this key that contains the secret of how to open this lock, together with other random keys that are not related with this lock. And I will ask you to choose any key you want from this box. So we have 4 keys. Only one is able to open this lock. Correct? Please choose your favorite key. Go for it. Are you sure?
Yeah.
At any given point, I will allow you to swap with Mike. Choose your key. And now choose your key, please. This last key is the one that I will keep. Now, I will have this lock with me. The point is that now we're going to do a mentalist trick that is related with the persuasion. So if the experiment will work, what is going to happen is that I have to influence your decision making. So let's see if the way we speak, the way we look, the way we interact can allow us to influence you. Now, I allow you to change your key with my key. What do you want to do? Do you want to keep your key or do you want my key?
Let's exchange it.
Do you want to exchange your key with my key?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'm just trying to influence you. Are you sure what you have done? Are you really sure? Okay. You want to go for it?
Do you open it?
Wait!
Yeah.
We have 25% of probability. Each of us 25% of probability. Are you sure you want to try your key or you want to swap again with my key? I'm giving you the last opportunity to swap before you try.
I'll try. Have a go.
Okay, you try. Let's go for it. Are you sure?
Shaky. Hey.
It's not opening. I'm sorry. Now, let's go for the next one. Now I still have the key that he gave to me. It's your turn. Do you want to swap your key with my key, or you want to keep your key? What do you want to do? Your key. So you believe that your key is better than my key, correct? Are you sure? Go for it. With your key, you have to try to open. Wait. Are you sure? Go for it. It's not opening. I'm sorry. And now we have please put your key there. 50% each. You arrive in the finale. Now, if you choose the right one, you can keep this €50 with you. Okay? Now, maybe the key that opens is mine, or maybe it's yours. I'm just trying to persuade you that mine is better than yours. Maybe yours is better than mine. Who knows? But maybe I'm just trying to persuade and to confuse you. In this way, you cannot really understand who has the key that opens the lock. So which key do you want? My key or your key? Which key do you want?
What do you think?
Your key.
Your key. So you want your key? Don't want to swap your key with my key. My key was his key. That now is my key. That could be your key. But you want to keep your key.
Amore, so Amore, my sweetheart.
My dear, no.
Okay. So what do you break off for the cake and then start?
Okay, we finish this. Fantastic. Okay, now before the interruption for the cake, are you sure that you want to continue with your key?
You want to keep this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if I have an influence, not just you, but all of you. Go for it.
Good luck.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, good luck.
It doesn't open.
I told you to
You may think not all the cards are opening. How can we be sure that this card open?
Do you want to exchange it now?
I want an innocent hand. Can you try to see if this key opens? Try. Go for it. Go for it. Just put it inside and strong twist.
If it works, you keep 50.
Twist it. Yes. Go. Let's see. Twist. Strong. Cool. It opens. So this is an example of how our brain can be influenced. Thank you so much and see you later after the cake.
আপনার আমার সিলেট টু লন্ডন সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবা না আর ঘন্টি তো অবশ্যই অন করতে ভুলবা না নতুন নতুন ভিডিও দেখার লাগি ধন্যবাদ।